Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TikTok Shop integration for Shopify product sync step by step clearly. To begin, open your Shopify admin panel. On the left side menu, click on Apps. Next, search for the TikTok app in the Shopify App Store. Click on the TikTok app from the search results. Then, click the Add App button to install it. Authorize the app by clicking Install App when prompted. Once installed, you will be directed to the TikTok app dashboard. Here, select the Connect to TikTok option. Log into your TikTok business account or create one if needed. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your TikTok account. Now, navigate to the Settings tab within the TikTok app. In the Settings, locate the Product Sync section. Click on Enable Product Sync to initiate the integration. Next, choose the collections you want to sync with TikTok Shop. Select the specific products you wish to make available for sale. Once you have made your selections, click on the Sync Products button. The app will begin syncing your selected products with TikTok Shop. You can monitor the sync status on the dashboard. After successful syncing, go to your TikTok Shop page to verify that the products appear. If everything looks good, you're set to start selling on TikTok. For updates, periodically check the syncing status in the TikTok app on Shopify. Make sure to keep your product information updated in Shopify for seamless syncing. That concludes the step-by-step process for installing TikTok Shop integration with Shopify Product Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.